So if you are dark skin and you just need that good cream to moisturize your skin, you don't want to tamper with your skin, or you just have your natural color, you don't want to tamper with your skin, and you are so afraid to use cream on your skin and you don't know the kind of cream to use, guys, this cream is so nice. This
we are na yeah Oriana na Mr. J.
Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time on stopping by, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified each time I drop a video. And if you're subscribed before, thank you and God bless you. So darlings, into the video I'm going to be introducing you guys to some good creams you can use in this hot weather, guys. Oh no, right now everywhere is really hot, guys. For me, I've not been using cream recently because of the weather. The weather is so hot in Paris. For that reason, I've skipped using cream since then. But sometimes if you want to go out, you need to rub some creams on your leg, on your hands. There are some good moisturizing cream that you can use. Those creams have any harsh chemical on them, and they are not going to make you to be sweating, because most of the cream that some of us are using, you can use them in this weather. These good creams to you guys, very affordable, good cream to use when you are going out. This cream, they don't have any harsh chemical, like as I said before. Use this cream, it depends on whatever color you are. If you are dark, if you are chocolate, if you can use this cream, guys. This cream is for all, guys. You can use this cream for all color, guys. So yeah, I have here with me cocoa butter, guys. As you can see, it has been existing for ages, guys. It has been existing ages, guys. This cream is really nice. This cream is called cocoa butter hand and body lotion, smoothing and softening extremely dry cream. This cream is for extremely dry skin. If you have a dry, if you know you have dry skin, this cream is for you. It's really good in this summer, guys. I use this cream for summer, and I use it on my hand and my leg whenever I'm going out, because I can't use my cream for the midtime because the weather is so hot, but we still need to moisturize our skin, guys. So these are the cream that you can use on your skin or your children. This cream is for both adult and children. Anybody can use this cream. Even if you are dark, you are fair in complexion, you can as well use this cream as well, guys. So this is cocoa butter. This is the lotion. This is the lotion, guys. If you know you have oily skin, this particular type, I will advise you go for this this lotion. This particular one is for those of you that have oily skin and you know your skin is oily already. You just need a good cream to moisturize your skin. This cream is a must for you for this summer. This cream is going to moisturize and it's going to smooth your skin, guys. We all know the weather is so hot and we need that cream that moisturize or can smoothen our skin. So this particular one is okay for you, guys. So moving on to the next, I'm going to be introducing you to the this actually, guys, they are both the same. As you can see, this is the normal one. This one is for oily skin, guys. They are both the same. This one is for those of you that have oily skin already, and this one is for those of you that have dry skin, guys. This one is really nice. As you can see, I've been using this one lately. If I'm going out, as you can see, it's like this. This cream is so moisturizing, guys. This cream does not have any chemical on it. In case of you have dark skin, you are looking for good cream to use, this is one of the good cream as well. This is cocoa butter. When I was growing up, I used this cream back there in Africa. Cocoa butter is really nice. So nice for those of you that have dry skin. This cream is so wow, like is so moisturizing, guys. Trust me. If you are dark skin and you apply going out on the sun, like as you can see, the place I apply this skin on is glowing. Like this cream, I use it on my son when we're going out. I use it on him. Like he has dark skin and the skin will be glowing. Trust me, guys. As you can see, can you see? And it's going to make your skin to be glowing, guys. Trust me, this cream is really nice. This is 500 ml. As you can see, this is 500 ml. It's so big. As you can see, you can use this cream for 2 to 3 months, because the cream, you can, like, A little can go a long way for this cream. It's so moisturizing. I love it. I love the texture. I love how it feels on the skin. It's for oily skin and this is for dry skin. If you know you have dry skin, you go for this one, and if you know you have oily skin, you go for this one. Next on my list is this cream, is this Misa. Misa is nice, affordable, guys, trust me. €5, €4, you can get this cream in any supermarket in your street, guys. It's good as well for dry skin. For those of you that have dry skin, and if you are looking for a good cream to use and you are afraid, you need that will moisturize your skin. If you have dark skin, you are afraid, you don't want your skin color to change, and you are just looking for that good cream to use, you can go and try this out as well. This is Misa. I was the one that used this cream, guys. I love cream like this when it's hot. I love to use cream like this on my hand and my leg whenever I'm going out, because they are so oily and they are so moisturizing, guys. And the next on my list is this cream. This is called Ruby Wow. I've talked about this cream before, and so that this cream is so nice. The smell is nice, the texture is nice. You can use this cream for your body, you can use it for your face. This cream was made with cocoa butter and vitamin E, natural oil, glycerin. This cream is so wow. It has vitamin E on it, as you can see. It has a vitamin E on it, if you can see it clearly. This cream is so nice, guys. You can't go wrong with this cream. Those cream are so natural, guys, trust me. You can go and Google them, you can buy them, you can go to search for them online to see the ingredients. They are so natural, guys. They don't have any harsh chemical, not even 1% of harsh chemical. So I've been doing a review about whitening cream, and some people have been saying I have dark skin, I don't use lightening cream. These are the cream for natural color. If you don't want to brighten, if you don't want to temper with your skin, you just want to maintain your natural skin, I will advise you try this out, give it a try. It's so affordable as well. As you can see, this I bought this cream €7. It's so affordable, and this cream can go a long way as well. You can use this cream for about 2 to 3 months. It depends on you, it depends on how you like to use cream, guys. This cream is wow. So guys, those are the creams you can use in this summer when you are going out. Those creams, they will not make you to sweat. They are just going to glow your skin. That's all they can do for your skin. They are not going to make you to sweat. So basically, that's it, guys. So I hope you guys find this video helpful and useful. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Share this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So till then, stay beautiful, stay peaceful, and stay healthy. Bye-bye.
Aisha, my lady, roll out for me, baby, wine up for me, I'm in love with your body, oh. You give me love, make me crazy. Oh, baby girl, this your body, oh. They make me banana